Looking for a job and want recruiters to know? Here's how to add the Open to Work badge on LinkedIn in less than a minute. Let's get started. Step 1. First, go to LinkedIn, click Me on the top right, then select View Profile. Step 2. Under your profile photo, click the Open to button, then choose Finding a New Job. Step 3. Now fill out the form. Include your desired job titles, workplace preferences like remote or hybrid, and your start date. Step 4. To add the green badge to your profile photo, make sure to select all LinkedIn members under Visibility. Step 5. Once everything looks good, click Save, and that's it. You're now officially open to new opportunities. Bonus tip: want to boost your chances? Regularly engage on posts, update your skills, and follow companies you'd love to work for. And that's how to add Open to Work on LinkedIn. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more fast and easy tutorials. See you next time!